What's the meaning of booby? Booby. Booby.
Booby. Booby. Booby can have a few different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a type of seabird, specifically members of the genus Sula. It can also be used as a slang term to refer to someone who is foolish or clumsy. In this sense, it is often used as an insult. Additionally, booby can refer to a type of trap used to catch animals. These traps work by suspending bait above a trigger mechanism which triggers when the animal tries to reach the bait. Overall, the meaning of booby depends on how it is being used and the context in which it is mentioned.